At Rishihood University, our promise to our learners and their parents is that we are not preparing students just for their first job. We are preparing them for life. And when you say you are preparing students for life, you have to focus not just on their intellectual abilities, you also have to focus on their emotional strength and their spiritual strength. But how do we integrate spirituality into the core curriculum as a credited course? There was no better partner than Isha Foundation. Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev is a globally renowned spiritual master. So we thought, why should we wait till you are in your mid-career or late career where you realize that these skills are important? Why can't we bring it right in the first year of your undergraduate curriculum and give them that seed of spirituality?
The Shambhavi Mahamudra program, which was hosted by Sadhguru and his team, it was really good. It was like a blessing to me, full of discipline, full of order, and also it was full of life.
I realized that this is something deeper than I thought it would be.
We are one of the first few campuses that has formally signed an MOU with Isha Foundation and brought the inner engineering program as a formal curriculum.
We have done many activities in the course as well, but the most that I liked was that the last day on, we played sports. I was carefree once again like a child I used to be.
Last day पे सुबह 8 बजे हमें बुलाया गया था. हमसे बहुत सारी अलग-अलग चीज़ें कराई थी. हमें डॉज बॉल खिलाई थी, हमें फ्रिस्बीज, बॉल्स ये सब कैच करवाने के लिए, हमारी टीम कोऑर्डिनेशन बढ़ाने के लिए कराया था.
Desires, how to accept our desires, how to go about our feelings and all. So acceptance is one of the major thing that I have learned from Sadhguru's program.
Our learning will not complete unless we have spirituality as a part of the core curriculum. That is what will fulfill the Rishihood mission.
I have seen many tremendous and drastic results in myself. Like I used to think quite a lot, and now वो चीज़ बहुत stable हो गई है और कहीं ना कहीं मेरा focus better हुआ है, concentration power मेरी ठीक हुई है.
अब इस ईशा प्रोग्राम से मैं अपनी पढ़ाई पे ज़्यादा फोकस कर पा रहा था. I could sit for a lot of time. मेरा attention span बहुत हद तक बढ़ गया था.
So the last day of our program, we learned the whole process of Shambhavi Mahamudra. It was followed by a lunch, a sattvic lunch, where we had different salads, beetroot salad, capsicum salad, and it was really relishing. It was really refreshing to have that.
महाशिवरात्रि वाले दिन ईशा फाउंडेशन ने एक बहुत बड़ा इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज कराया था, जहां हम बहुत वेरियस डिफरेंट आर्टिस्ट आए थे और उन्होंने हमें उसकी क्लिप्स दिखाई, हमें वीडियोस दिखाई. हम वो वीडियो देखकर, वो गाने सुनकर वी वर वेरी इंट्रीग्ड और उन्होंने हमसे डांस कराया था. इट वॉज अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी. एंड शांभवी महामुद्रा क्रिया वो मेरी ज़िंदगी में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट प्ले करती है.
We used to start our sessions with yoga namaskaram. हम अपने हाथों को stretch करते थे, उसमें पूरा body का stretch आता था. It was really relishing. It was really relaxing for us after a whole day of classes and working and all.
उन्होंने मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हमसे हमारे फ़ोन दूर रखे थे. तो लास्ट डे पे आई एंड अप रियलाइजिंग कि मेरे को मेरे फ़ोन की ज़रूरत ही नहीं लग रही.
My focus, my stability in my thoughts, I mean my emotional stability, many of the things have drastically improved just by being in these 14 days.
After the program, after experiencing the relishing program, I think it has changed my life. It has brought more focus in my life. I have been living fuller now.
मुझे एक हद तक रियलाइज़ हुआ कि ये पार्ट है मेरी लाइफ का, ये बाकी सबसे बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. इट मेक्स माई बॉडी हेल्दी. अ हेल्दी बॉडी मीन्स अ हेल्दी माइंड.
Now we find learners with much more purpose, asking the deeper questions of life and looking at how their education can serve society and the nation better. It has been a great experience and we want to continue doing this.